Hey guys, it's Brian. How you doing? Today we're doing an unboxing and review of the JVS Cam electric air duster. Claims speeds up to 130,000 RPM. So let's open this bad boy. Instructions. The unit itself. Feels really good in the hand. Really good. And you got attachments and your charging cable here. So let's charge this up and I'll explain to you what it's all about. Okay, so I charged the unit up. It took about an hour and a half to charge up. It's wireless. And here's your power settings here, or your fan settings. You just turn them on, press and hold the button. Now you got full speed, medium, and low. Right now we're on standby, so if I press the button, it will start blowing. So this is actually a really cool unit. It's built really tough. I'm really surprised. It feels like it's metal. I'm not sure if it's metal or not. It feels like it's metal. Anyways, you can change the tips on the thing too. You can go with this towel. You just turn it in and lock it in place. And this is really good for cleaning out computers, even your car. If your car is dusty, clean it out because the air out here is massive. Then you get some clean tools here. You can loosen up dust and blow it away with the duster. So I'm just going to do a quick test here to show you how fast this is. This is on full speed, on standby, ready to go. Here's the switch to turn on. So we're going to just try this, and I'll show you how powerful this thing is. So it's pretty powerful. So let's do some testing on this. Okay, where this duster really shines is on electronics, and that's where the brushes come in. So what you do is, it doesn't really loosen up fine dust. Fine dust has to be taken care of with a microfiber. But fine dust on this kind of electronics, all you do is you just fire the unit up and brush the dust off. That's what this is made for, is actually blowing off electronics. But you can use it for other uses as well. So this is a real cool device. I really like it. It really comes in handy. I'll put links to Amazon below where you can get this. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.